So the modern data lake, this is something that we're going to be talking about today within our lab. And it's something that a lot of people are talking about today. Either it's saying data lakehouse or how to structure your data lake. The data lake has really revolutionized our data formats and how we can store our data at a good level. Basically, the components of the modern data lake today that we've all kind of agreed upon as an industry is like storage, right? Of having the S3, your either your on-prem or your cloud storage, your object storage, which is just too good to pass up. Then you have those open file formats, Avro or Parquet, and then you have those open table formats, which is like Iceberg, Delta Lake, or Hootie. So that's what's in your data lake, but then you need something to run that data lake, right? So that's where Trino comes in. That is the engine of choice to help power your modern data lake. It gives you the power to run at that petabyte scale, specifically over not just within your data lake, but also it allows you to be anything in the orbit of your data lake. So we like to say data lake plus one. If you have anything outside of the data lake, you have something in Snowflake, which we will later, or you have something in Oracle, MySQL that you need to grab in order to actually have it be part of that data lake ecosystem, you still have that capability. You're not siloed into just that data lake, and you don't have to do that copious amount of effort to get everything into one location. So the benefits of that data lake or that modern data lake is really, having that single point of access. Specifically, the most important is the advanced warehouse-like capabilities, but having that on the low-cost object storage gives you the best of both worlds, right? And then having that flexible architecture helps you make the choices that work best for your ecosystem, as opposed to, being shoved into a box or having to redo your ecosystem every time that you have a new requirement or you switch tools or anything like that. And then especially the scalable cost effectiveness is something that a lot of people have grabbed onto with the modern data lake.